The ads claim that MineOne Pro can mine Bitcoin using just a small ESP32 microcontroller, promising passive income with minimal power consumption. On the surface, it looks appealing: cheap hardware, plug and play setup, and flashy marketing videos showing supposed earnings. But here's the reality: Bitcoin mining, as we all know, requires massive computational power and specialized ASIC hardware. An ESP32 chip simply doesn't have the processing capability to solve cryptographic hashes at any meaningful rate. In fact, even high-end GPUs are no longer profitable for Bitcoin mining, let alone a microcontroller. Consumer watchdogs and tech reviewers warn that MineOne Pro is essentially a scam product. Buyers report receiving basic ESP32 boards with custom firmware that only simulate mining activity or connect to fake dashboards showing earnings that can't be withdrawn. There's no real blockchain contribution happening. MineOne Pro is not a real Bitcoin miner, it's a misleading gadget exploiting crypto hype. If you are serious about mining, only ASIC rigs from trusted manufacturers are viable. For hobbyists, the ESP32 is great for IoT projects, but not for cryptocurrency mining.